Whole spark plug popped out that motherfucker.
Hey.
You said what?
I gotta bring that back tomorrow. He ain't even welded it on there.
What you stealing?
Oh, it ain't that hot out here.
Chi-Town show and go this weekend. We finna go and get the box. I ain't Joe the box since before the car show, goddammit. Finna get it together. Jazz in the park today. So we lit, you all. The other side been welded for about a year now. And I ain't had no problems with that side. I've been replacing this side over and over and over again. So we finna weld this the same, but then we gonna get the wheel alignment next.
Okay, I'll be right back. Yeah. I'm finna weld this. Damn, see? It's gonna start here, bro. Oh, so you damn near gotta rub off the black one to get it cracking.
You think you doing something? Yeah, that ain't thick enough. That shit bright as a motherfucker. Free my boy, man. What's his name? Off the east side. What's his name? Arthur. I ain't gonna lie, that motherfucker back there. Oh, he can hop that fence. So to see the dog loose in the yard and not the owner, it was a problem. Flip it to the other side. He just doing shit, y'all. Look. Look at his face. I feel like he just coloring on my shit at this point.
I can't even see that shit.
Right.
Come on. I told you put these days on. Shit, I can't see.
You can't see shit?
Hell no, I see.
Yeah. I was finna turn blue. You finna start singing Ray Charles.
Oh, he good.
The other side.
I'm gonna do the other side, but he good.
All you gotta do is tap it like 2-3 times. You wanna know what? What if we hit the screws? No?
I could, but I wasn't intending on doing that.
You could.
If we ever need to take it off.
It's not coming off up. It's not. You just welded it. If it come off, it's a problem.
As long as I get the screws on.
Let me tell you something. If it come off, it's a problem. The other side ain't coming off.
After one time welding it?
Yeah. I think you should tap the screws. Or no.
Like
or the
right
top
there?
of it. Yeah, tap the
Yeah, I
screws.
think that too. If you don't plan on ever.
It's not coming off.
Well, if you need to take it off for a new wall joint or something.
Yeah, I got to get a hold of the control line.
Oh, okay. That's how that works.
I already figured that out. What about the boot? That's all metal on the top of that? Yeah. You doing too much. You could just tack the tire. Yeah. Tack the thing, yeah. The screw. Here I come. Gordon. Yo, what?
He got the hoverboard thing right about that for his birthday.
With one of these too.
Yeah.
With this thing too, right?
Yep. That's why I asked, is this yours? That's his hoverboard, but this your thing, right? Yeah, why the strap don't go all the way around? That's what
I'm finna give me a bike, y'all.
Cause it go like this.
But that last video, y'all, really showing out, man. Rest in peace, OG Tweezy. No bullshit, OG Tweezy. He gone, y'all. A real vet, a real legend, a real boss player from Milwaukee, Wisconsin. Oh, but shit. Weekend, we finna head out to Chi-Town Show and Go. And I'm damn near gonna do a kart meet Sunday. We'll fuck around and get Lincoln Park cracking if it ain't raining. We gonna see what's going on, man. The air show too this weekend. It's a lot going on, but another thing, I got Black Sunday tickets. I have the tickets on hand. I got a lot of them, G-Ball. And another thing, I'm finna start raffling some of the tickets off. Every week until Black Sunday week, till Larry's Fun Fest week, I will raffle off 2 tickets. This is how you enter into the raffle. Right down under this video, I think like the 5th bubble, It's a heart that say thanks with a money sign on it, right? You can click that and do the $4.99 one. Everybody that donate $5 towards my YouTube channel, you will be on there. You will be in the raffle. In other words, I'm thinking like every Sunday, I should give out a ticket. Two tickets. So this Sunday that's coming up right here will be the first time that I do this raffle. So like today, what you can do is go under this video, go to the 5th bubble that says the thanks and the money sign, enter into the raffle by paying the $5, $4.99. When you pay that, it's gonna send me that you paid that. And I'm gonna pick one of them names Sunday. I'm just gonna randomly pick them, and I'm gonna go live so that y'all can see it. I might pick a name that's new. I might pick a name that been commenting on my shit. I might pick a name that been sharing videos. You never know, but I do want to give back, and my way of giving back is 2 Larry's Fun Fest tickets. 2 Larry's Fun Fest tickets. No bullshit. We finna go and pick the box up. I was just riding this motherfucking mini motorcycle, right? Oh, spark plug popped out that motherfucker. Sound like the Chevy bitch said, "Boah!" That's why he shot at me for a second. Yeah, getting busy. I'm on his way to the box. So I'm like 20 minutes, cause I'm gonna need you to take me around the corner on 49th and Village so we can pick up the box Chevy. I ain't drove in about a month now. Hell. Said what?
I have to bring that back tomorrow. He ain't even welded it on there.
It's not all the way connected. He wasn't strong enough.
Yeah, it's probably the weld I was using. I was using that 10. What's up with your my boy? Yeah, you're gonna have to turn it up some.
Yeah, work tomorrow? Yeah. Alright, fuck it. So be on the same. You see the other one?
You told me how to do this dance, bro.
Where the fuck you come from?
He was in the car. You was doing this dance.
What do you do? What you do, dog? Unc said that motherfucker ain't right. He welded. He did this one over here, and that motherfucker ain't budged. Ain't did a bitch ass thing. So he knowing what the fuck it's supposed to look like, what it's supposed to be like. Unc did that last year.
I think but you know what I was using though? I got a handheld welder. Yeah, a little small one. With the feed that come out of it like a drill. That's what I use. What? The inverter? The mid welder. That's what I am. Yeah. You probably just had it too damn low.
It wasn't hot enough?
You probably didn't clean it off too.
Oh, yeah.
You get what I'm saying? So,
oh, yeah, so we ain't gonna pull the box out today. But he'll be out tomorrow. No, we ain't got time for the bolts down because I keep breaking the bolts. Don't worry, bro. You keep breaking the bolts. So I'm trying to weld this like that. This side been welded since last year. I replaced this ball joint like 2-3 times. So I'm trying to weld that like that side. So that bitch stiff. That's next, man. We ain't got time for that right now. But then, that ain't got nothing to do with that. That ain't got nothing to do with the ball joint. My extended control arm ain't breaking while you talking shit. It's the ball joint. You can't even buy that, bro. That's extended. Chi-Town Dunks did that.
Yeah, I did that.
If he did the right weld like that one over there, then he gonna fuck up the volley. Trying to straighten that motherfucker out. The ball joint.
It's supposed to move.
But yeah, though.
Move anyway.
Again, if y'all want Black Sunday tickets, right, I got them motherfuckers. Y'all can hit me up, 414. I ain't finna put my number on here. Ha, thought y'all had me, right? So you can go on Instagram, How You Riding TV. You can go on Facebook, How You Riding TV. Or Tyrone Henry, and you can hit me up, and I will pull up on you. You can pull up on me for a ticket to Black Sunday, Larry's Fun Fest. It's going down, right? And every Sunday until Larry's Fun Fest, I'm giving out 2 tickets. The way you enter into this contest is you go down under this video, you click the thanks with the heart, you donate $4.99. You pay $4.99, and every Sunday I'm gonna pick a name, and I'm picking names. Sometimes, like this week right here, I want to show some love to my supporters. So I'm gonna go off a name that I really see commenting on my videos. First motherfucker I see that I know be commenting on my videos, I got 2 tickets for you. You and whoever else can go to Larry's Fun Fest. If you do not have a ticket, yesterday it's like $30 to get in. I'm gonna get you in there for $4.99 G-Ball. No bullshit. If y'all want to donate more, you can donate more. If you want to donate less, you can donate less. But for this giveaway right here, matter of fact, let's do it. For the $199 deal, this Sunday right here, I can get you a full detail. Shout out to my boy. My boy got a mobile detail business that's going on right now. He got the box wet. Y'all saw that on the video after Chevy Custom Shop, before Chevy Custom Shop. So if you go down under this video and you click that heart, you can donate $199 and you can get you a full detail. That's second place this week. If you go down under this video and you click the $4.99 video, the $4.99 donation, you can win you 2 tickets to Larry's Fun Fest. Let's run that shit up. You got 2 days. We're going to try this out right here. And if we fail, we fail. I really don't care about that. I just want to give back. I'm one of the ones that got tickets for sale. So I don't mind giving back, and that's my way of giving back. You know what I mean? What's $5? It's $30 at the gate per person. No bullshit. She-Bass been on, man. Shit. You ain't no shit, man. No bullshit. No bullshit. Tell him.
No. That's why I like a female opinion. She said, I thought this car was jacked up.
Ha. It's jacked up, alright. We lit. I ain't been in the box since before the car show. Let's see what we got in here. Oh, Angel put his food in there. I'm finna get that right now and take that up out of here. I got Aries sweater. Got my tire shine right there. I gotta give me a, I just got me a nice detail, so I really don't need no detail, but I'm gonna get a nothing. If how the hell, my damn belt loop just caught on to the goddamn. And I'm finna redo all my music this weekend, or this week, rather. I'm taking all my door panels off one of these days this week. I'm finna rewire everything. You're stealing. What you stealing? What you stealing? Good job. Sherelle House doing what? What you got to go to Sherelle House for?
Her car got towed to her house.
What's wrong with it?
She's driving and that motherfucker cut off, but it wasn't starting that good.
She just got that motherfucker. She calling you for? She fucked it up. Same thing.
She gave him the keys.
She fucked it up. Who fault is that? Hell. Hell no. How you get a lawsuit settlement and you go buy a car off Final Act and buy Burger King? By Burger King on 51st and Final Act. You go buy a car from over there and pay your rent up. What the fuck? I don't give a fuck about none of that. Now you gotta get another car. All that money you just spent, it's gonna go into getting another car again.
Remember she was like, I got you, friend, I got you. I ain't get shit.
I ain't get shit either. She told me that too. She told me that too. The goddamn control line won't be done today. The box won't be done today, but we will be outside tomorrow, G-Ball. Be outside tomorrow. I got a funeral to go to. Rest in peace, my brother Reggie Grams. No bullshit, he ain't here. Even if he was in town, I'd be there. So me and my boy Tweezy gonna go show our respect to him. And I'm sure he watching this video. Congratulations on my new latest nephew, Yefim. We going back to back on their ass. I got a baby coming. He got a baby just had. Tweezy got the baby coming. You feel me? They said, you get the baby, you get the baby, you get the baby. Somebody else watching the video, you get the baby too, motherfucker. You don't even know yet. I got that motherfucker there tucked like that there, boy. I'm thinking about going 28s, though. I'm thinking about going 28s. I said I'm thinking about it. Y'all turning me up, though. I ain't gonna lie. Y'all turning me up so hard on YouTube, I think I'm gonna go 30s and burn them bitches. You feel what I'm saying? I ain't playing no games, G-boy. Milwaukee, Wisconsin. On Glade since 2022. You feel me? No bullshit.